Today I'm going to show you how to create and upload custom channel art for your YouTube channel. And if you don't have Photoshop or you don't know how to use it, I'm going to show you a website that will help you make custom channel art for your YouTube channel. All we have to do is get started. Hello everyone and welcome to How to YouTube like Gearhead Tour, the channel where we show you how we do everything we do at Gearhead Tour to make our channel a success. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, how to gain more subscribers, or you just need some tips on how to create, you've come to the right place. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, click the little bell, and you'll get notified anytime we have new content. Let's go ahead and jump into the computer. Today I'm going to show you how to create and upload some channel art to your YouTube channel. And I'm going to show you a way that you can create some channel art for absolutely free. I'm going to provide you with a YouTube template because there's something about these channel art pieces that you need to remember. The channel art has a specific size that it needs to be. 2,560 pixels wide, 1,440 pixels tall. Now, that's the ideal size. There are some minimums. You can make it shorter, but there's no reason to. You should always make your channel art in that size. But beyond those sizes, there are also some other parameters because not all devices show the channel art in the same way. If you have a big desktop computer like I have right here versus your mobile phone, the picture is going to look very different. I'm going to give you a template that's going to help you create that artwork so that you can use it on any device and always have it look great. So open Photoshop and then go ahead and create new. Now, if you have the template that you've downloaded from the description in this video, you're going to have to find that template and bring it in. Now I have it saved here on my computer for all of my projects that I do. I have all these templates saved. Here it is, YouTube channel art. If you click, you can see 2560 by 1440. I go ahead and I always create my stuff with transparent backgrounds. Typically, if I want to add a background color, I'll just do it later. There's something about this image. You'll notice that it's just a square. It doesn't show you anything. I'm going to give you this template with the layers that will show you where your title will be safe. I'm going to go ahead and just create a new layer here, and it's going to say hide this layer. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is pull in a picture. We recently did the how to make a screen grab. So just grab a picture of your screen and bring it in. We'll use that as our test for today. I brought in an image here and placed it on my background layer. Actually, I didn't put it there, but now I will. If you download this template, you'll see this layer that says replace this layer. That's where you want to put your image. Just put it right on top of that. So when you bring your image, just click this layer. When you bring your image in, lay it right on top. This is a picture I took last week from my balcony at my home. Each week since there's been the coronavirus quarantine, we've been having a little what we call social distancing party on our balcony. So everyone in my building, I live in a building kind of like this, a high rise. The building has a swimming pool right outside our window. And they set up a DJ down there and everyone is out on their balconies. So we're all having a party from our balconies separately. It's been a lot of fun. The quarantine is crazy. It's why I'm wearing a hat. My hair is getting so long, it's getting unruly. So, I'm starting to wear a hat now to keep it under control. The first thing I want to show you here is this is the size, okay? 2,560 by 1440. That's the full size of the YouTube channel art. Now, why does it need to be this big? You look at it on your computer, it doesn't look anywhere near this. Well, the reason is, if you're like me, I love to watch YouTube on my television. So when I'm in my living room, I turn YouTube on. It's a smart TV that has YouTube enabled. I turn it on, I watch YouTube on my television. This is the picture that will show up on your TV, this entire screen. So this is if you pull up your channel, this is what people will see on their TV. And you can see that here. 2560 by 1440 is the entire size of the image. Next, you'll see this area that shows desktop, 2560 by 423. And you can see this white line here, this little box. This is what will show up on your computer. So if this is what I see on my TV, that's completely different than what I see on my computer. Now, maybe I don't like this image anymore for this because maybe I want to be able to see the top of those buildings. Well, you could do that. You might take your image and say, I want to shrink my image down. I want to be able to see those buildings. But keep in mind, if you do that, now the water is going to be cut off from your image. So you got to make some choices somewhere along the way of what you want things to look like. But this is pretty good. This image is blown up. It's really big. This looks fine. The next thing we got to look at is the size for a tablet. Now, tablets are different, but this is what YouTube says is the correct spacing for a tablet. This area inside this box is the tablet size. So this would be cut off. This won't be in a tablet. This won't be in a tablet, nothing. Just what's inside the box is the tablet size channel art. And that would look pretty good on a tablet. Next, we have to take a look at what's called the desktop minimum and also for mobile. Inside this new box, This is the mobile and desktop minimum. So this area all the way inside, this box here, it's a little difficult to see with this picture, but this inner box, this is your mobile image and your desktop minimum. The desktop loves this outer size, but this is the minimum. This is television, the whole thing, and this is tablet. So look in the description for a link to this Photoshop template, and you can download it and use it in your Photoshop program. If you don't have Photoshop, I'm going to show you a different way to do it that's absolutely free. But before I do that, once you've made everything, you've replaced your image on this layer, you hide the layer above, you'll go up, you'll want to hit File, Save As, and you'll want to choose a file type, either JPEG, PNG, whatever you want to pick. I'm going to choose a JPEG. You'll want to title it and save it wherever you're going to do it. I'll put it right here on my desktop because I'm not going to use this. And I'll just call this channel art, and we'll save it. Now, if you go into your YouTube channel, I'm on my channel dashboard. And from here, I'm going to go over and I'm going to choose your channel. And this is what our channel looks like. And you can see there's no channel art. So in order to do that, you just click on Customize Channel and you come right here, Add Channel Art. Click there and you're able to upload that photo that you just created. And it shows you here what it will look like on a desktop, what it will look like on a TV, or here on your mobile device. And they all look great. Now it does give you an option to adjust the crop, but if you've done this in Photoshop, you're not going to need to adjust anything. Then you just hit select and it will save. Now obviously I didn't turn off the channel art when I saved here because I got these little white lines, but this isn't our channel art anyway. This is just for your purposes. The link for the Photoshop template is down in the description. Be sure to stick around and check out some of our other videos. You can also check the description for a link to a website that will help you create free channel art. It's called Snappa. I recommend you use Photoshop. It's the best graphics program out there. But if you don't feel like you have time to learn it or you don't want to invest in Photoshop, then go ahead and give Snappa a try. I'll see you next time. Maybe I look better in the low light. How is a new bulb broken?